So today we will be starting the chapter Algebra. This is for class 9 onwards. So we will learn some high level concepts. So let us start with introduction. So the algebra consists of variables, constants, operations. These are present in the algebraic expressions. The algebraic expression, these three are present. So what are the variables? These are the not the numbers. These are alphabets: x, y, z, etc. Constants, they are the literal numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, etc. For operations, these are four operations: plus, minus, division, and multiplication. Now, the most important thing is how to form a algebraic expression. So, to form an algebraic expression, we will write like this. For example, we can write x plus y minus 3. This is an algebraic expression. But if we will write x minus 3 plus y is equals to 0, this forms a equation which can be solved. But algebraic expression doesn't have the equality sign. So if there is equality sign, then it is equation. If not, then it is algebraic expression. This was the most important thing. Now let us learn about the polynomial. Now in the polynomial, we all know that it should be positive. If it will be negative or in the imaginary numbers, then it will not be. Example, it can be 1 by 2, root 4 by 2, because it forms 2 by 2 equals to 1. So it, this can be a polynomial value, etc. Now let us know about the degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. Now for the degree is very simple. So in the degree, there is the highest power of the polynomial. Highest power of the polynomial is the degree. For example, if I say x cube plus x square plus x plus y4. Now here you have to see all the degrees of the polynomial. Here one degree is given 3, another is given 2. If nothing is given, that is 1, because 0 can be, it will be 1 ultimately. So here it is given 1, here it is given 4. Now we know 4 is the highest, so 4 is degree of polynomial. Now we have understood. So for example, let me give you a expression. Now we are learning algebra and we are learning the part that is quadratic equations. Let us start quadratic equation, because linear equation, it is in our channel. You can see the video. Now we will start quadratic equations. Let us start quadratic equations. Now quadratic, now we'll know quadratic means 2. So the degree of polynomial or the highest power is degree, or highest power of the polynomial or algebraic expression is 2. So here the degree is 2. Now let me give you an example of this statement. For example, I can say x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now you need to know that always the value will be equals to 0, or else we won't be able to find the answer. For example, if I say x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 4, then you have to make it 0. The RHS, you have to make it 0. So you have to transfer 4 to this side, LHS, then it becomes x square plus x, and 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So minus 3 is equals to 0. This is the always you have to make LHS should be like this. LHS should be like x square plus x plus 1, or you can say ax square plus x plus numeral anything, we can say c. Now RHS should be like RHS will be 0. So this is the quadratic equation structure. Now here you can see that, for example, here x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now if I tell you to find the value of x, we can find by simply transposition method or any other method. So there are two methods. First method is the factorization, and second method is the quadratic equation. Now only these two methods can be used. So let us start one by one. So first of all, let us know factorization. So in the factorization, by the name, you can know that we have to factorize the terms of the expression. So here what is the expression? X square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now you have to factorize so that at last you will get like a plus b into b plus into c plus d. Like this you will get. At the last you have to factorize such that. Now to do that, we need to follow some steps. Now if you look at it closely, we can find the roots. It will come in imaginary or irrational numbers. So let me erase this one. So let me give you a proper example. For example, if we set 2x square plus x minus 45. Now we can find the roots of this question. Let us find out. Now 2x square plus x minus 45. So what first step, what you have to do? So the first step is that you have to write two columns, sum and product. Two columns you have to do. Now in the sum column, you have to write that what need to be the sum. Sum is the middle value that you have to factorize. You need to factorize this one only. Now the sum must be equals to x. Now the product must be equals to now what will be the product equals to? Product will be equals to minus 90. Why? Because product is always equals to, now here I wrote C into A. Product is equals to CA. C is the value minus 45 into 2. Now if we do minus 45 into 2, we get minus 90. So this we need to find out. So the sum will be equal, so the sum will be equals to 1. Here 1 is given 1, and the product will be equals to minus 90. Now we need a second step. Let us know the second step. Second step is the most simplest method, because if you find the first step, then you can easily do the factorization method to find the roots. Now, now if you look closely at the question, it is given 2x square plus x minus 45. Now to make the product minus 90 and sum 1, can we write 2x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 45? That is 2x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 45. Because if you see, 10 into minus 9 is equals to minus 90. And if you see, 10x minus 9x is equals to 1x. So 1 is a sum. Now it is correct. Now let us go ahead. Now can what we have to take the now we have to go to the third step. Second step is completed. Now let us go to the third step. Now in the third step, we have to just take common. So what can we take common from this? From this, what can we take in common? So yes, 2x can be taken common. If I take 2x common, it will happen x plus, now 10x divided by 2x is 5. It is simple. Now, now what can be taken common from this one? We can take common minus 9. Because why we are taking minus 9 common? So that we will get a common, four commons will be available, and out of those, two are equal. Minus 9, if we take common, it will become x, because x into minus 9 minus 9x, and x plus 5, because minus 9 into 5 is equals to minus 45. Now, what we have to do next is take x plus 5 common. If we take x plus 5 common, then we will get x plus 5 into 2x minus 9. Now, let me understand you properly. If I take this 2 common, common means let us erase 2 and we take those common. Here we wrote it. Here we wrote it. Now, what is left out? 2x minus 9. Equal to sign also will not be there all. Equal to sign we will erase. Then what is that? 2x minus 9. Then we will write that. Now what we will do next? Now x plus 5 into 2x minus 9. Now we have just factorized those. We have just factorized. So to factor, now we have factorized. So third step completed. Let us go to fourth step. Fourth step, the final step. Now what we concluded is x plus 5 into 2x minus 9 is equals to 0, because earlier our value was coming 0. Here it is coming 0. Now x plus 5 into 2x minus 9 equals to 0. So can't we say both this value will be equals to 0, this value will be equals to 0. So 0 into 0 will be equals to 0. Now it will be true. So what we will do is write x plus 5 is equals to 0, first equation. 2x minus 9 is equals to 0, second equation. Now it is very easy. It's a linear equation. First equation value will be x equals to minus 5. Second equation value will be, and now 2x equals to 9. S equals to 9 by 2. Very simple. Now we have found the roots. So lastly we will write the solution is also known as roots. So the roots of equation are 9 by 2. Or you can't write in decimal because it will not look good. So you will write in fraction, comma minus 5. These two are the roots of the given equation. Now today's homework. So you have to give the homework answer, only answers in the chat box, comment section. So the first question comes is, we will discuss this in the next video. First question is 3x square minus 10x plus 8 is equals to 0. Question number 2, 2x square plus minus 17x minus 30 is equals to 0. Find roots of each. So today's session has completed. If you like this video, please like, comment for the answers of the homework, and please subscribe for the next part of the this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.